Oh, easy does it, y'all. You get a little bit of the behind the scenes there. It doesn't matter what the trending story is. I mean, welcome to A to Z Decodes. Local Arizona here, right? So this is from the other day, okay? This doesn't happen a lot out here in these parts, okay? Early morning rain hits parts of the Phoenix area.
Alert weather day. We're tracking the rain, the thunderstorms, the snow, the grapple, the hail, all of it. It is 73 degrees in the valley right now. We had a low this morning of 70. I don't think that's going to be our low for the day, though. Average low is 65. I think we'll drop below 70 before midnight tonight. We don't have a very warm day ahead of us, and we're ready for that change. 79, your forecast high for this afternoon. I think we'll hit that right around midday today. We're below average for that is a big change from where we've been. Average is 88. We've been closer to records most recently. Here's a look at your first alert radar. Quiet in most of the valley right now, but the showers continue to linger in the far east valley. Let's push in on this. It's from Apache Junction and Gold Canyon, which is kind of here where the 60 turns to the south here, and then along the US 60 and along the south loop of the 202. So Queen Creek, parts of Southeast Mesa getting in on this as well. We take you up.
Okay.
That's alert weather day.
So you get an idea of what we're doing here, right? All right, so this is going to be quick and easy, y'all. All right, so you see, again, they say on average, the Phoenix area, 36 days a year will get rain, okay? And this is what I do. Check it out, all right? So this is the code, and you see all four of these ciphers right here with the language, okay? Letters are equivalent to numbers. Think of the alphabet, 26 letters, A to Z decodes, right? Okay? Right? Check it out. So, Phoenix area, again, that's right in our title. You see right there, Phoenix area, early morning rain. AM, but they put morning. You know how the language does us. And look, when I did the decode here 42 minutes ago on the article. Again, this is from Friday, October 18, as we enter kind of like we're entering the cooling down portion of the year finally here in Arizona. But you see October 18, Friday, early morning rain hits parts of Phoenix area 42 minutes ago with that article. Look at how rain equals 42 forwards with the alphabet, 24 in reduction. Well, Arizona equals 42. Okay, and again, you see 42 minutes ago with the article, as I was doing the research very easily, I might add. Rain's got that 24, the reflection. Well, look at Phoenix area, 181. If you do, Z is 1, A is 26, and you just apply that method. This is a code that's been utilized on us. I do this all the time and just show it. I mean, you're not going to see it all the time. They don't want you to see it. But you see 181 is the 42nd prime number. And you see it's the year 24 as well. Now that 181, you see that date when the rain just suddenly appeared. 10/18, 0, no value in numerology. So what? 118. Notice how the video clip there? Look, 2 minutes 24 seconds, like 24. Look at it from right to left, like 42. And a big number here in Arizona, Grand Canyon State, Grand Canyon, and where ASU, the college, is located, Tempe, Arizona. Tempe, Arizona also equals 181. Again, Grand Canyon State, Grand Canyon, and Tempe, Arizona all equal 181, the 42nd prime number. Okay, and who was maybe one of the most memorable, if not the most memorable players for the ASU, Arizona State University Sun Devils, the football team. Pat Tillman. What number did he wear? Number 42. Okay. So we just saw that video. So Friday, look at the today temperature for Friday. Look at the low, 70. Early morning rain hits parts of the Phoenix area. Early morning equals 70. Early morning also equals 65. Look at the average low. You see right there, 65. And yeah, I know there's different numbers here. Things are going to obviously match up, right? What are the odds of some of that right there? Okay. And it's the Valley of the Sun. Sun equals 18, just to put that out there. Not to make this too long, but so you see that right there? I want you to look at where our weather forecaster or whatever they call these characters. Look at where she's pointing, Apache Junction. See, you see how it's pretty heavy right there as it goes up. The what Highway 88 right there, whatever you see right there. Let me zoom in. Boom. You see that? Look at that 88. Now that connects heavy on a mainstream stage. If you watch like maybe other channels I have out there, and if you can't find them, it's understandable. You can hit me up, right? But it appears they don't want a lot of people to see this. So you see, focused in on that little like Highway 88 or whatever you call it right there. You see it right there? 88. Average high that Friday that the rain hit this last Friday. Look at that. 88, right? Okay. So you see that? I mean, now we don't need to we don't have to stretch any of this, right? You see how that hits, and it doesn't matter. You're not going to get anything that's trending, no matter where you're at on the news, that isn't, that I should say, doesn't expose this code. What's going on with that, with the alphabet and the English language, multiple meanings for words, right? Valley of the Sun. What do we have here? Cities and Tucson. Get it? Payson, yeah, and known for our heat, right? We have a place called Coolidge. You see what I'm saying? So, an interesting language, and of course, there's more. Okay, so Arizona, became a state. You could say the birthday, whatever, Valentine's Day. Okay, February 14. So I'm doing the research here. Look at that. February 14. Depending on whatever, uh, you know, that's actually 2024 right there. You see that? February 14, the birthday for Arizona Valentine. Look at the 45th day of the year. Morning equals 45 in the reduction cipher. And as it's notifying me account storage full, I told you this is what I do, right? I don't think you could see that. And again, I just mentioned the language. Morning, come on. You know what I mean? Hello. Hi. What's high? What's up above? This language, live or live, backwards, evil. Anyways, y'all, a lot of y'all know that. I'm not here to just hit you with stuff. And if you don't know, I got your back. But morning in reduction equals 45, and Arizona's birthday, the 45th day of the year. Okay. Oh, okay. And that's going to be the upcoming, I guess, the upcoming birthday, I guess. You see that though? Arizona. Valentine's Day. And ritual equals 45 in this code as well. Reduction right there, you reduce it at J, which is the 10th letter. 1 plus 0 is 1, K 11, 1 plus 1 is 2, so on and so on. You want single digits with reduction. And reverse reduction is the alphabet, English language in reverse. Reduced at the 10th letter, Q, same thing. Okay, so Phoenix area. Early morning rain hits parts of the Phoenix area this past Friday, October 18. Phoenix area equals 116. Look at that upcoming birthday. Okay. 16 and 61 date numerology for Arizona. You see the date there. That's easy to understand. 2 plus 14 plus 20 plus 25 equals 61. The single digits with the upcoming birthday. You see? 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 equals 16. And again, you see Phoenix area, 116, like 16. Look at it from right to left. You see the 6, you see the 1. Look at Valentine's Day birthday, 2/14, February 14. 2 plus 14 is 16. Okay, so I just wanted to hit you with that easy breakdown. It could be weather, it doesn't matter. What else was trending? Let's go like kind of mainstream real quick. Who hosted the BET Hip Hop Awards? Fat Joe. What song did they say he performed? Make It Rain. And that's an old song. Right? Make It Rain. Who was a part of that song back in the day? Lil Wayne. Does that sound like rain? Wayne? Think about it. And where is Lil Wayne? Anyways, any any other weather stories trending heavy, including rain, hurricane, rain? Think about it. Okay? It's the language, this alphabet. This is A to Z decodes, right? I guess I don't got a thumbnail in there, but I'll add it. That's all I entered right there. And speaking of the code, look at morning. These numbers always land with Arizona. Ooh. So I'm glad that I just caught something on the fly. And none of that's a stretch because you see, and Arizona's the 48th state. Arizona equals 84. Okay. I just look at how morning equals 36 right there in reverse reduction. Remember what I mentioned earlier? Let me show you the tab. Bada boom, bada bing. Most days in Phoenix are sunny. Rainfall only occurs about 36 days out of the year. And again, back over here, early morning rain hits part of Phoenix area. And again, look at morning in reverse reduction, 36. Since I'm here, let me one more thing real quick. This is the calculator Gematrinator 85. It shows the code. It's none of it's a wild theory of mine. And there's the reverse reduction. You see how that works? Single digits, cue the 10th letter, add the double digits, reduce. And then reduction forwards, ABC 1, 2, 3 with ordinal, reverse, Z is 1, Y is 2, X is 3, W4. Easy money. And I'm not doing this for money. Again, we speak of the code and the spell casting and the spelling and the language. Think about curses, magic. Do they teach cursive anymore? Remember cursive? How the letters connect? Remember the old flip phone? Letters are equivalent to numbers, y'all. It's very easy to understand, but I'm here and I got your back. And I mean, just look at all of the numbers, everything you do, numbers, very obvious when you look right here. Okay. And the names. Okay. So A to Z decodes, local Arizona. It doesn't matter what the trending story is, as I stated. If you like this content, just like, subscribe, whatever you want to do, it's all good. Just soak up the information. Again, watch out for deceivers out there. Okay. Early morning rain hits parts of the Phoenix area. Uh, Now we enter kind of like a cold season. We'll probably get hot again before, but Arizona, and again, this was from Friday. Very easy. I hope y'all got it, and I hope I explained it to where it's not too hard. Drop comments if you have wow. And the 18th day of the 10th month, 1810. Drop the zero, you get that 181, right? Drop the zero, you get that 181 right there, Phoenix area with the 42nd prime. All right. So that's it for here. I appreciate y'all. Until next time.